Hey there, lovelies. Welcome back to the Soft Life Collective, our little corner of self-discovery and empowerment. Today, we're diving into why it might feel challenging to embrace your softness and feminine energy. If you're interested in topics like this, soft life, soft girl era, and self-empowerment, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, grab a cozy spot, and let's explore this together. Embracing our softness and feminine energy can be a beautifully empowering journey. Yet, it's not always a smooth road. Society, upbringing, and even our own self-perceptions can make it feel like a challenge. Today, we'll unravel the complexity of this path, delving into reasons why it might be hard for us to be soft and tender with ourselves and others. Reason number 1, societal conditioning. From a young age, society often equates softness with weakness. We're taught to be strong, to toughen up, and to suppress our emotions, even as women. It's no wonder we struggle to fully embrace our femininity and softer side. But my loves, softness is not weakness at all, and it takes immense strength to be vulnerable and open. That brings us into reason number 2, fear of vulnerability. The fear of being vulnerable can be a roadblock on our femininity journey. We might worry about being judged or even hurt, leading us to build protective walls around our hearts. But know this, embracing your softness doesn't mean being defenseless. It means cultivating a safe space for vulnerability to blossom and enrich our lives. Reason number 3, comparison and insecurity. In a world that's full of comparisons, especially with social media, we might feel insecure about fully embracing our femininity. We wonder if we fit into the mold, if we're enough, or if we'll be accepted. Let me remind you, there's no one way to be feminine. Each and every one of us holds a unique essence that deserves to be celebrated and cherished. Reason number 4, disconnecting with our true selves. Often, we disconnect from our true selves and lose touch with our inner softness. This can stem from life's demands, responsibilities, and daily pressures. But our femininity journey starts with rekindling that connection. Take time for self-reflection and nurture the relationship you have with yourself. The beauty of your journey lies in breaking free from societal norms and reclaiming your softness with pride. Embrace your emotions, celebrate your intuition, and dance with your feminine energy. There you have it, my loves. Embracing your softness and feminine energy is a profound and empowering journey. And it might seem challenging at times, but remember, you're not alone in this endeavor. With that being said, remember to subscribe to the Soft Life Collective and hit the notification bell so you can be reminded when we post new content to help you out. And if this inspired or resonated with you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others on their femininity journey. Let's break barriers together, be unapologetically soft, and celebrate the beauty of our feminine energy. It's time to embrace our true selves and journey with grace and self-love and care. So until next time, take care, stay soft, and remember you are magnificent just the way you are. So embrace your softness, celebrate your femininity, and keep shining bright. Goodbye for now, my loves, and I'll see you next time on the Soft Life Collective.